Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start immediately by joining the same server with the person you'll trade with and standing close enough to interact. This avoids network mismatches. Make sure both of you have trade requests enabled in Roblox settings so the trade window will open. Once done, open the Blox Fruits trade panel together, place the exact fruits or items you agreed on, and verbally confirm each slot to prevent accidental offers. This reduces disputes and prevents the most common trade errors before you hit confirm. After both offers show, watch the interface. One person clicks offer, then the other clicks offer as well. This synchronizes the session. When both of you verbally confirm readiness, press confirm. A visible countdown or accept prompt will appear. Do not leave the menu or switch servers while it runs because that often breaks the handshake. If latency spikes, pause, and let the other player re-click offer. Keeping movement minimal prevents, desyncs, and ensures the trade completes cleanly without lost items. Complete the trade by waiting for the success notification and then check your inventories to confirm receipt. That verifies everything moved as intended. If the trade fails or items vanish, both players must rejoin the same server and retry exactly the same sequence. Do not accept offers from different servers. If repeated attempts fail, log out, clear Roblox cache, restart the app, and try once more. If it still breaks, gather screenshots and contact support for recovery. That single troubleshooting tip saves most stuck trades.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.